Xiaomi will bring a new affordable phone to India. The Poco C71 appeared on a dedicated landing page at Flipkart, where its key features were revealed. We also learned it will arrive on April 4th and cost under 7,000 Indian rupees, about $80/€75. Poco C71 will have a 6.88-inch screen, likely an LCD, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. The promo materials say it is segment's most eye-friendly display, meaning it is one of few affordable devices that is certified by TÜV Rheinland for low blue light emissions and minimal screen flicker. The panel will also support wet touch, allowing the device to be used even with wet fingers. The USB-C port and 3.5mm audio jack were tested each for up to 20,000 uses. Poco C71 will have a 5,200 mAh battery that will support 15W wired charging, and Xiaomi is providing the charger in the retail box. The promo materials revealed the cell will keep at least 80% of its capacity after 3 years of use. The main camera on the back will have a 32MP sensor, while the basic 8MP selfie shooter will be mounted on a water drop notch. Poco C71 will have 6GB RAM and a chipset with an octa-core CPU. The SoC can reach a 300,000 score on Antutu, which doesn't tell us much. The phone will run Android 15, and Xiaomi will bring 2 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. There is also a 1-year mobile warranty, covering over 19,000 areas across India. The phone looks a lot like the Redmi A5 with a Unisoc T7250 chipset, sold in Europe for €99. The launch on Friday is scheduled for 12 p.m. local time. That's when we'll have confirmation whether the Poco C71 is indeed a rebadged phone or Xiaomi has a surprise up its sleeve.